When I talk about the different positions that I have, the number one question that I get is always related to when my selling points will be. And I've given out my exit plan for CRO, and it's changed over time, especially with all of the changes that we've seen with crypto.com, with the CRO, especially with the supply. Um, so my exit plan has changed quite a bit. So I wanted to establish kind of what that exit plan really is, and I think every time I say it's going to be the final one, there always is a newer development that comes up that makes me want to either hold more or sell more or anything like that. But I think this really is the final one, and it's similar to the one that we've seen before. But the reason why I'm talking about this again is more about the emphasis on what I plan to do with all of it. And I think people slide past one part of it and just go to when are my selling points rather than what I'm doing with the entire thing. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. I just noticed that this thing behind me is not moving. Um, so I guess that's out of batteries. If you didn't know, the stick thing, it does have batteries. The original one doesn't, but that one is not moving. So one of the cats must have actually stopped it. But make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC down below, feel free to do so. That link is for a platform that is amazing. You get up to 10% deposit bonus, or you get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit, up to extra bonuses of $10,055, and you can trade up to 40% lower trading fees. So there's a lot of benefits that you get with this platform if you want to utilize that. The link is in the description. Now, also, before I get into this, I wanted to say that today is an exciting day where my daughter has her first basketball game. So I'm really, really excited about that. Um, and her second basketball game as well. She has two basketball games today, back to back, which is just going to be great for her to start the season. So wish her luck. I'll let you guys know how things turn out. But I've been, like, I had this day circled for pretty much, I don't know, ever since we started practicing for the third and fourth grade. So, very, very excited. But to get back to the topic at hand, CRO is currently sitting at a 10-cent price point. It is up by a half a percent in the last 24 hours. Or sorry, yeah, in the last 24 hours. We're looking at the last month. This is kind of the detail of that. I actually wanted to see what the growth is over time, but I guess I changed it to trading view, so it doesn't really show that. But we are sitting at about a $4 billion market cap, just below that point. $8.8 million worth of volume. Definitely not a lot of volume for a top 30 cryptocurrency. $8 million for a $4 billion market cap is insanely low. We're looking at the supply of 38.6 billion coins, total supply of 98.3 billion, and the max supply of 100 billion coins. Now, I've told people what my exit plan is. If you don't know how much I have, I will explain it now. I have about 420, give or take a few thousand, because with staking, I'm gathering more. It seems like every day at this point. So give or take a few thousand every time we look at it. And I have about 420. So what do I plan to do with the 420? Where is it all at? Now, a small portion, 50,000, is sitting over in Coinbase to where I bought for the short term, not necessarily for that amazing long term level. I have 100,000, or sorry, 50,000, I believe, that's sitting in the DeFi wallet. I have 100,000 that's sitting over in my Ledger wallet, and then I have 200, just about 200,000 that's staked with crypto.com. Now, the reason why I staked with crypto.com is for what they offer, right? They offer, first of all, a staking percentage. You're getting CRO back for what you are holding. Also, they offer these CRO credit cards, right? So these credit cards Now, not debit cards, which is great. They offer you a welcome bonus. They offer you, for me, it's 5% spending rewards, and you're getting Netflix and other things as well. So you're getting extra stuff on top of it. It's offering you that, but you have to stake a large amount in order to get some of these cards, right? So if you have the Pro plus basic, or plus or Pro, you're paying per month or having a certain amount that's staked. For private, you can have 50,000 or 500,000 that's there and get 5 to 6%, spending rewards, as well as the welcome bonus that they do offer. So this is something that I want to have forever. I don't plan on touching or doing anything with, because I need to have that much staked in order to utilize the cards and get the spending rewards. Now, I do get the spending rewards in CRO, meaning that I can have a decent sized payback or payout when it gets to a point where it's a lot that's staked and the price value is so high. Now, I don't know what the detail will be when we have to restake, if it will make me restake and then say I can only use whatever it is, because if it goes up to a price of, let's say, $4, I would only need to stake, or let's say $5 to make it easy. I would only need to stake 10,000 of the coins rather than, hundreds of thousands like I have now. So give or take, I guess, tens of thousands of coins or even hundreds of thousands of coins, I will have a certain amount that's staked with crypto.com at all times. So the reason why the plan has changed is because if that does, right, if I have, let's say I have 183,000 that's staked right now. If the price goes to $1, I don't need 183 staked there. I would only need 50,000 coins that are staked there. So all of the rest of the coins would then need to go somewhere else, and I would be able to, sell it if I wanted to, or do something else with it if I wanted to, or stake it if I wanted to, and just get, more and more coins. But I don't have a plan on that. I do have a plan on the 200,000 that's left over, though. So let's put that aside and say we don't know what's going to happen with the price. We don't know if I'm going to need to utilize all that to restake. So I'm just going to hold that there and just say I'm continuing to restake. However, the CRO that's left over, I plan on selling it at different points. At 90 cents, I plan on selling 100,000 CRO, which would be about $90,000 in short term, or actually for this, it would be long term gains. Then at $1.55 or $1.50, I would sell another 50,000 coins, getting me $77,000. And then at a level of $2 ish, it'll be about 70,000 coins, which would be $143,000, totaling the amount that I'm taking in long-term gains. It would be $311,000 that I can just sit on the side and utilize that with. Now, again, there's still pieces of this that are missing, which are what's going to happen when that price does hit a $2 price point. I'm not going to need to restake 183,000, right? I'm only going to need to restake 25,000. The rest of it, what do I do with it? So that's where that open-ended question, is there, and I don't have an answer for that. But I do have an answer for the 200,000 that I have out in limbo, 50,000 that's here, 100,000 actually that's in my Ledger wallet that I want to most likely move. But there may be a situation where I keep that there for a very long time, if not forever, because that is my forever, wallet, or place where I'm holding it, my forever storage, and then take $100,000 from what is staked because it's at such a high price, right? So I don't know. We'll have to see, but that's where things stand right now. There are some open-ended questions and situations that are going on and coins that are there, but either way, I feel as though we're going to have a massive amount of positivity from CRO, from Kronos, and with everything that they're doing in crypto.com, I'm just super excited. Guys, if you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.